Sahaja is, I guess, a place that grew very spontaneously from Moojibabo, where he wanted a place that people could come and really spend more time with the things that he was pointing to, and to sit with his teachings and really reflect. And Sahaja started very spontaneously and totally organically. Guruji often says how when they came very unprepared, some city people with some scissors and nail clippers. And what has kind of happened in these years really totally happened by grace and spirit and Guruji. And this place, Sahaja, is really just an extension of Guruji and his spirit and his love and his teachings, actually. It's grown into a place that has this physical presence. Most people, when they come here, they feel something. There's something different about Sahaja. And some people that can be very challenging, of course, because they've never sometimes experienced something like this, which is like a true warmth and a love and a presence in people, like a quietness. And here in Sahaja, we actually live very normally, let's say it like that. There's many different roles that people do. There's kitchen because we have to eat, there's maintenance, there's facilities looking after the toilets, the showers, the plumbing, the electricity, and as well as that we have other teams that work in so many departments, because of course it's all about sharing Guruji's teachings with people who really want to hear it. You know, it's happening really quickly and totally organically. Like many people who even came here just watched a YouTube. I was one of these people. Like, I just watched a YouTube and then that was really it. Something just kind of woke up inside. When I see Mooji work, I mean, in everywhere in Sahaja, in everything that he does, he is the same whether he's doing books or if he's planting a tree or if he's giving satsang or if he's driving in his buggy. He's the same. He's so intuitive and spontaneous to what is needed in the moment, and he's really there to serve whatever is needed in the moment, because when he works he's so free and fluid and so clean and pure, and then therefore what comes out with whatever he's doing, if it's painting or making a book or writing an article, is so clean and pure and like radiant. It has this other quality to it. It's not when you work with your mind how something happens. When Guruji works, it's like just joy. It's just pure joy. I suppose the words that I use the most, or the words that come to me the most, that serve me in every situation, no matter what, are keep quiet and stay as the awareness.